Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set your favorite photo as your Android keyboard background using Gboard. Follow these easy steps to personalize your keyboard in just a few minutes. First of all, open any app where you can type, such as WhatsApp, Messages, Google Keep, Notes, or any other messaging app. As soon as the keyboard appears on your screen, look for the gear-shaped settings icon located on the toolbar above the keyboard. If you don't see the settings icon right away, don't worry. Depending on your keyboard layout, you may need to tap the 4-square grid icon to reveal additional options. On some devices, you can also press and hold the comma key to quickly open the keyboard settings. Once you're in the keyboard settings, tap Theme. This section allows you to customize the appearance of your keyboard with different colors, gradients, and personal images. At the top of the theme page, you'll find the My Themes section. Tap the plus button to create a custom keyboard theme using one of your own photos. Your phone's gallery will open automatically. Browse through your photos and choose your favorite image. This could be a picture of your family, your pet, your favorite landscape, or any photo you'd like to see while typing. After selecting the image, you'll be asked to crop it. Pinch to zoom in or out and drag the image until it's positioned exactly the way you want. This helps ensure the most important part of the picture remains visible behind the keys. Once you're satisfied with the placement, tap Next. On the following screen, adjust the brightness slider. This is an important step because the right brightness level makes the keyboard letters easier to read while still showing off your photo. Take a moment to find a balance that looks both attractive and comfortable for typing. Next, tap Done. You'll also have the option to turn key borders on or off. Enabling key borders can make each key easier to distinguish, while turning them off creates a cleaner, more modern appearance. Choose whichever style you prefer, then tap Apply to save your new keyboard theme. Your keyboard will instantly update with your selected photo as the background. You can repeat these steps anytime to change the image or create a fresh new look whenever you want. That's it. Enjoy your personalized keyboard. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick Android tips.